It's the day before my opening of my moose tag, which is tomorrow. Cleaned my gun up. It's been a while since I shot it. Shooting a Winchester 7 short mag. I'm gonna see how she shoots. It's been a couple years, but I'm gonna target out there about 200 yards. We're gonna get her dialed in today. It's the first day evening when we got a couple hours. And I spotted a big bull. Only chance I got is probably to drive over to him. I mean, he's big. Whoa! Whoa. Whoa. Well, that's the end of the first day. So today we've seen 8 cows and 1 bull. The bull wasn't too bad because we left him where he was. He's got a cow. He's not leaving her, so I'm sure if I really changed my mind, I could come back in the morning after him. But that's how we do it, boys. RBBP. Opening morning. Yeah, it's like day 15 or something like that. Been looking for a big bull. We passed a bunch. Seen probably 80, 90 moose probably. But first snow of the year really, and
kind of our last week we were going to be able to.
Yeah, I was going to have to fill by Sunday and it's Thursday now.
The other bulls were starting to look nicer, so I'm glad this one presented an opportunity today.
I don't know how big he is yet, but he's laying right up on the road.
Nice one.
Pretty nice. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7 by 8.
Yep.
7 by 8.
It's been 10 plus years since he's gotten John.
16 years. And that's all filled out.
There it is.
Ready